Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 7-layer bean dip. First, gather all your ingredients, including refried beans, sour cream, and your favorite toppings. You'll need a 9x13-inch baking dish to assemble everything. Begin by spreading 1/16-ounce can of refried beans evenly across the bottom of the dish. This forms the essential base for our delicious dip. Next, let's build on that foundation. In a separate bowl, mix 1 cup of sour cream with a packet of taco seasoning, then spread it over the bean layer. For the third layer, prepare fresh guacamole using 2 ripe avocados and spread it smoothly. Finally, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese evenly over the guacamole, adding a rich, savory element. Now for the vibrant finishing touches that bring all the flavors together. Evenly distribute 1 cup of freshly diced tomatoes over the cheese layer, adding a burst of color and freshness. Then, sprinkle 1/2 cup of sliced black olives for that classic savory taste. Finally, garnish with 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, completing our beautiful 7-layer dip. Your 7-layer bean dip is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and texture, chill the dip in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the delicious layers to meld together perfectly. Serve it with your favorite tortilla chips, pita bread, or fresh vegetables for a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.